copy comment on TikTok PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can copy comments on TikTok PC. So first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then go ahead and open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, first of all you need to log in. For that you need to type in www.tiktok.com. So make sure that you're already logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged, so it's directed to the home page. So in order to make a copy of the comment, so first of all, let's access the comment. For that, click on the three dot icon next to the content. Unfortunately, TikTok does not allow the users to copy the code or the comment. So right click feature is actually enabled, but there is no such option to copy the comment. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and select the comment first of all and right click on your mouse. Now click on inspect. As soon as you've done that, on the other half of your screen, you'll be able to see a code. On that, you can see right on top in the left hand side bar of the window, you can see there is this icon or the upward arrow icon. You'll need to click on it. After you've done that, it's gonna enable you to highlight the comment. So we'll just go ahead and highlight the comment that you actually want to copy it. So let's say that I'm just gonna go with this one. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see the comment on the other side of the page. So as you can see, there is the code. So what you need to do is, in order to copy it from this page, so you need to just select it first of all, and after that right click on your mouse and then click on the copy button. Once you've done that, open up a new field and then paste in the comment over there. So as you can see, that comment has been copied, and in this way you can copy the comment on TikTok on your PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.